Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, good morning. I'm in the she shop. So, y'all were nagging me. You know you were. You were nagging me about the dresser. So I texted the owner and asked her how she'd feel about natural drawers. We got a lot more sanding to do because she went, leave them natural. Y'all are getting your way. We're going to do natural drawers and we're going to paint the body gray. The feet are going to be done in a brushed nickel metallic. My Rust-Oleum metallic accents. And that's what we're doing. So today, there's going to be a lot more sanding. I'm excited, but still, it's exhausting. My hands hurt so bad today. The Hashimoto's has gone up to 10. At some point today, I have to go out in the backyard and chip out my van and try and find my Etsy sale. It's in there somewhere. I'm thrilled about that. It's currently below 0. It's supposed to get up to 1 degree today, so being outside, digging through bins in 1 degree. That's why I'm waiting for it to warm up to 1 degree. I have to get a tarp or something to lay down on the snow because I'm going to have to unload that van to find it. I mean, the odds of me being lucky enough to pick the first box and it's in it are like... Ugh, I need my coffee. I got to fortify. Because we are going to sand the crap out of this. That repair that I did is going to have to be sanded away. I might have to get a belt sander out. I'm not sure my little palm sander is going to cut it. So that was a waste of product. That looks good though now. All the gouges in there are filled. That's awesome. And here I was thinking I'm going to roll this bad boy out. We're going to be done. Oh, sure. You guys put me in a whole lot more work. Thanks for that. More coffee. And I have to get at least 60 grit. I don't think I have the 60 grit. Oh. Yeah, it's a 60 grit on there. Give me a second. I'm gonna need my respirator. I might put my noise canceling headphones on too, just to dampen the sound, because the other day when I finished sanding, I was pretty much deaf. This is gonna go away because I don't want it dirty. And I'm gonna get to sanding. Let me find my headphones. So now my sanding looks better than the stripping, so we gotta sand the top ones too. Yay! It's gonna be pretty though. It's gonna be pretty. My hand is numb. I need more coffee. Alright, I'm covered in dust, and you can see I've flipped it over. And on the other side, it's a kid's dresser, so there's going to be some unexpected crap, right? Well, packing tape down the side, so gotta find my undo and get that off there. But my hand's numb, I know, because I can't feel this, which should be excruciatingly painful right now. And even with the noise canceling headphones, my ears are ringing because I've been sanding. So the drawers are finished sanding. They're all piled over there. I had to repair another drawer. Like I was sanding it and I lifted it by the back and the back just went poof. So that's now fixed. I've used the quick wood to fill in the back of the other one where the chisel mark was gone. And then when I get the tape off this and sand that side, it's time to clean it and start painting this bad boy. And then it gets really fast from there. So once this is painted, it's just the drawers and the mirror is still in the other room. I have not brought it in. It's very large. Not really sure how I'm going to get that painted. But it's got to be done. Part of me just wants to take a tarp, lay it down on the living room floor because there's not enough floor space in here, and painting a mirror upright is kind of a pain in the butt. So I'd like to lay it down somewhere and get it painted. I am covered in dust. Like my clothes are not even the right color anymore. It's a mess in here now. I need to get a vacuum cleaner rolling in here after I finish sanding that side, because we don't want dust on our paint. So I gotta wait for the dust to settle, and then I'm gonna hit everything with the vacuum cleaner, get it all vacuumed up, and then tack cloth the whole thing, get it all cleaned up. And it's time to start painting. I'm going to hit this again with some sandpaper. The paint that's underneath, it's super gummy. Like, I start sanding the paint that's underneath it because I just want to get a rough sand on it to have the primer have something to bite into. And it's like rolling up and super gummy. And I'm like, oh, I hate this. I hate when paint is gummy like that. I'd rather it be dry and flaky than gummy, because like it's rolling up like that and then sticking to the rest of the surface. So it's got to be cleaned really good. We're going to clean it really good. If I have to, we'll get some baking soda, Dawn, do the scrub-a-dub-dub, and clean it. But I'm hoping I can get away with just pulling it off with the tack cloth. Some dirt down here, though. That's full-on dirt down here in the corner, so I gotta get a toothbrush on that. It happens. No, don't lie. Your house got dirt in it too. So is mine. Woohoo! That's the primer coat. Looks so pretty. Certainly is an improvement over what it was. I just cut in all the details and then I hit the whole thing, and I'm really glad I tinted my primer gray so that when I do the gray coat over it, I don't see the white come through in spots. You know, you get a little holiday spot. That's what those little mist roller marks are called, are holidays. And I'm going to have to sit on the floor, though, and cut in around the base. So, fun. I'm going out to the van to find that Etsy piece that I took to Junk Bonanza. It's 1 degree, so I got to get geared up here. And we're going to go find it. I'm having a real issue with Etsy, my Etsy orders lately. Like the last two items that were ordered were pieces that I brought to Junk Bonanza that didn't sell, but they're missing. So I went through all the stuff in the garage. I unloaded the entire van, my husband and I. Well, mostly me. Well, he stood there kind of like, you sure you don't need my help? No, it's fine. Just unload an entire van, go through every single box and reload every box and reload the van. So there's something missing. Something's missing. I got a request from a reporter to do an interview. So I'm going to have to investigate, find out what that's about. An entrepreneur interview. So I'm going to take a look at that. But I want to show you guys because I think this looks amazing. Look at it. Look at it. It's amazing. I think it looks great. I think the body is done. I just now have to work on the rest of it. Did I close the can of paint? I did. I did not clean the roller though. So I just have to work on the drawers. But I think that turned out great. And then of course I've got to do the silver on the feet. And that's it. Okay, I got a little more. I did the feet, which are brushed nickel. You can kind of see, I don't know, that one over there. And I started on the drawer edges. I want to do the pull part in the gray. So the underneath that you're going to see to match. So it just sort of blends in and all you see are the drawer fronts. At least that's my thinking. So it's dinner time and I'm going to go have dinner. And then I'm not going to do any more tonight. I'm going to come back fresh tomorrow because I'm better early morning than I am late at night. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.